What I like most about the Muzata wire system.
I ordered everything and installed everything. The customer service was phenomenal for Muzata.
The Muzata quote was very detailed, and I really appreciate it.
And so the reason I ended up choosing Muzata was because
I like the style that Muzata had. It's a nice, clean finish.
The railing we designed with the stainless steel cable to optimize the view of our lake.
How beautiful the view off my deck is, and the clear cable railing is clearly a part of that.
But we ended up going with Muzata because they were the only ones that had the slope posts for the stairs, and we have a 34-degree pitch here.
Hi, I'm Mike, and I have to say I'm a big fan of Muzata. I evaluated several competitors, and Muzata came out on top, considering quality, customer service, and value. Those were the three factors I evaluated.
Getting calls from our neighbors asking what we did, how we did it, and who we went with. And I will definitely tell them Muzata. Their system, I really liked it because me and my wife did not want any exposed hardware on the post. So everything is internal for us. The anchor screws, the cabling, and then you put these ringlets on each cable